morning. We just got back from our trip last night. It was the best trip ever, but today I just want to spend the day kind of reorganizing everything, getting back into a routine. The girls supposedly are upstairs getting dressed, and I'm going to make them a quick breakfast before I start unpacking. Well, we have no eggs or milk or bacon. I have no food for breakfast. Usually that is the worst part about coming home from vacation, is an empty fridge. We have no groceries, so I'm just gonna quickly place a DoorDash order. I have Dash Pass, so $0 delivery fee. This way I don't have to take 2 hangry girls out of the house to get groceries. Need eggs. Ordered everything I need. Order placed. It should be here in like 50 minutes. I'm gonna make the girls a very quick breakfast because they're hungry.